Hi everybody, Kyung here, and I'm all excited. I'm here to show you this month's design team project that I did for a line dot arrow, and I used her what is it called? I think it's Flower Reflections, I think is the kit, and I'll have the link all in the description and everything. It's a cute little journal. I made it out of like a file folder, so it's like a little file folio with a journal inside, and I have, look, a 40% off all items, right? LDA Design Team 40. And I'll have again all that in the description below. So yeah, that's amazing because her kits are already a good price anyway. So let's move on. So I have this sari silk that I've tied the journal with, right? And I have it attached to the spine. I did attach it because I always lose my ties if I don't attach them on my journals, so I attach them. That's just what I do. Here's the cover. It's very pretty, huh? I made a little space to write, right? Like a title or a name or whatever. And here's the inside. So on the very inside, we have a little, it's a removable, a removable tearaway notebook with just coffee dyed papers and this little belly band, right? And so it's, you could like replace the tearaway notebook if you like. Here we have some tags, some pretty tags that I stamped a little butterflies on the backs of each one of them, right? And those come in the kit with a little belly band that says love, and those tuck into there. And then in this pocket we have a notebook, and isn't she precious? And we have a like Irish quote or song, I think. It's an Irish toast is what it says. And then some coffee dyed paper, just a little notebook, right? A cute little notebook. And that goes in there, in that pocket. Dum-dum. And then the first page is this pocket, which is a little envelope. And I filled it with some stuff, with some like snippets and stuff, I think. Yes, little journaling cards, right, made out of little snippets from the kit, just to write on or whatever. And this tag, I made this tag. Ta-dum, it says sunset. Right, there we go. Backed on coffee dyed paper. Here we have another pocket. And we have one of these like little library cards that comes with the kit. And I made a journaling card backed with coffee dyed paper and stitched around. And then this is all blank, right? So we have lots of blank journaling, lots and lots. So I filled the middle with lots of journaling space. And then we have this page, which is like the center spread, which are beautiful digitals from the kit. And then more journaling, right? So some pretty coffee dyed lace paper, some of my pretty purple coffee dyed RIT dyed paper. And then here's the last page with a little belly band with a few tags, right, that I stamped little butterflies on the back and did some stenciling. And then we have this, which is like a little flip open, right? So you can flip it open and write inside. And then in the cover is like a pocket. And I have this little just snippet and this like altered library card, journaling card that came in the kit. And then this comes out, right? And it's a whole little journaling card or bookmark or whatever one wants to use it for. We have these, my mirrors, and the mirrors are a digital that she gave as a freebie in her group. And I cut the middles out and put acetate and put dried flowers. So those are real dried flowers. And then I put a little pearl and tied a twine around them. I thought that they were pretty. And so that's those. And then the other thing in this pocket is this, which is just, I cut like a concertina, you know, for journaling. And then it opens up. And in here we have a little notebook. This is like another kind of tearaway look like notebook. And then we have this. Oh, this is another notebook. Yes. Another little notebook with this kid on here. Right? So, lots of little things. Just a cute little notebook. Just a cute little journal. Little journal with various notebooks and various things. And that is it. Right? It's cute. It measures not very big. Let's grab my ruler. Let's see. It measures about 5, maybe a little short of 5. Right? 5, a little short of 6.5. So 5 by 6.5 roughly. Right? And it's chunky. It's got quite a bit of journaling, quite a bit of writing in there. So I'm happy with it, and that is my project for Line Dot Arrow this month. And I will see you all later. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. I will have this listed in my Etsy shop. So anyway, I will talk to you later.